Are you looking for the best weight loss foods to assist you on your weight loss journey? The following list of foods have been compiled by some of the leading weight loss physicians. Use the information located below and begin your journey to a healthier, thinner you. Here's the list of a few foods that can help you lose weight. Peppers. There are many types of peppers, from very hot peppers to very mild peppers. Each type of pepper contains enzymes that help you control your appetite, burn calories, and shrink the size of your fat cells. In addition to these things, the enzymes in peppers also constrict blood flow to fat cells, prohibiting them from multiplying. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is known to lower cholesterol when eaten every morning, but did you know that eating a bowl of oatmeal each day will help you lose weight? Oatmeal contains fiber that helps absorb fat from your system. In addition to blocking the absorption of fat, oatmeal helps you feel full longer. Eating oatmeal will help you avoid morning snacking. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are packed full of vitamins and minerals necessary for a healthy body. Spinach, kale, and leaf lettuce contain magnesium. This mineral is essential for hundreds of chemical reactions in your body. One of the primary benefits of eating a diet rich in magnesium is its ability to level out glucose levels in the body. Herbs and spices. There are many spices and herbs that will help you lose weight. Parsley is a diuretic that helps you rid your body of excess water weight. Turmeric helps rid the body of fat by making the cell structure around the fat cells weaken. Finally, cinnamon helps increase your metabolism, thus effectively helping you to lose the excess weight you have been carrying around. For a complete list of weight loss foods, go to https://perfectweightlossplan.org.